Hey guys, for this video I will be guiding you through the Sun Salutation B, Surya Namaskar B, which has a variation of going into a Warrior One that I don't teach because I have seen in my experience that it doesn't make sense for a majority of people to externally rotate the thighs while still having to face forward with their hips. If you don't understand what I'm saying, no problemo. The options I'll give to you is much easier and accessible to everyone, which is high lunge. So, make your way to the top of your mat, bring your big toes together, heels together. Step aside with your heels, follow with your toe, and this is approximately the distance of your hips. Option, if you like to keep this position with your feet, if you'd rather have your big toes touching, like in Samastiti. For those of you who come from the Chaturanga backgrounds, feel free to do so. Otherwise, on your own time, bring your hands up, sit back, come to your chair pose. First of all, see if you're blocking your toes with your knees. If you cannot see your toes because of your knees, that means you need to sit back a little bit more. Often I see students do this, arching the lower back. It's easier for us to stay in this pose, but it's not what we want to do. So keep your back flat and even try to have your glutes descending towards the floor. Inhale here. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step or jump back to your plank, Chaturanga. Next, inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Next, inhale, right foot high. Knee to nose, left, right foot down. Next, inhale, open to your high lunge. If you are like me and you compress your lumbar spine, if you have to extend your back leg, feel free to micro bend the back knee in order to keep the lower back flat. Relax the shoulders, then inhale. Exhale, both hands down. Press back to your plank pose, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Next, inhale, left leg up. Exhale, knee to nose, left foot down. Next, inhale, both hands up, high lunge. So that would be the time where we normally go into Warrior One. Exhale, both hands down. Step forward. Fold forward. Next, inhale, bend your knees. Lift your arms up, back to our chair pose. We'll go once again into it together. So stand here, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step or jump back to your plank, transitioning into Chaturanga. Next, inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Directly right leg up. Exhale, knee to nose, right foot down. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, plank. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Directly left foot up. Exhale, knee to nose, left foot down. Next, inhale, both hands up, high lunge. Exhale, fold into two-step forward. Next, inhale, bend your knee, hips back, chair pose. And exhale, relax. Good job. Thank you for flowing with me. I hope that you enjoyed this variation of the Surya Namaskar. Feel free to practice it and please let me know in the comment if you're happier with the version of the high lunge rather than the Warrior One for this particular flow. Thank you for tuning in. We hope that you enjoyed. Feel free to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this, as well as checking the links below if you want to hear more, learn more about who we are and what we do. Thank you for being here. My name is Ilo from Play Pose B.